Guys, welcome back. This is Leena. How are you guys doing? I hope you guys are doing really well. So you must be thinking, what are you already doing with like the so much makeup? Aren't you filming a makeup look? No guys, I am not. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get unready, like how to remove your makeup, and I'm going to show you a few products that I use and how to take care of your skin after you removed your makeup. It's really important. So let's start now. So the first product is obviously makeup remover, makeup cleanser, and I use something called like a balm, which is really good, removes your makeup completely. And this is the product. So this is the MI Fashion Makeup Remover Balm. So I'll show you the consistency. It's like this. All you have to do is take a little bit of product, massage it onto your palms. Okay, I'll just show you. So here, and then you remove your makeup. It comes out like very easily. Just apply it all over your face. You can like rub it onto your palms. It will melt, and then just lagalo everywhere. So after I have applied the balm, I take this. This is like a cleansing sponge. So it's called Clean Sponge. And you can just like take any liquid makeup remover also, and your makeup will come out. So I'll show it to you now. So I have a little more kajal left, so I'm going to take that balm again, rub it, and just remove my mascara and eyeliner. So you can see almost like 80% of my makeup is out. I've removed it. Moving on to my next product. And my next product is obviously a face wash, and for that I use this. So this is the Derma Vive Hydra Cleanser. It's really good for sensitive skin, and it has like natural colloidal oatmeal. So this is SLS free. It's soap free. Doesn't have any fragrance. It's paraben free. So it's really good. This really works for my skin. So all you have to do is shake it really well, and then you. So my next product is this. So this is the Nutriderm Moisturizing Lotion. This has really worked for me. I have dry skin, you guys know that, but I don't want something which makes my skin like really greasy, okay? So this is good for all skin type, I think. It's amazing, worked for me as I told you. And I apply it before I apply my sunscreen in the morning, and I also apply it at night before going to bed. So it has like antioxidants also, which will, help me like in anti-aging. So I'm going to apply this. Just take this much product, rub it, and apply it on your skin. It's really important to like use a moisturizer or something after you've removed your makeup, because like you use a makeup remover, then you use a cleanser. It's very important to hydrate your skin. And always remember that a lot of people do this mistake. They just remove their makeup with like a makeup remover and then just go to bed. Please don't do that. Use a face wash, remove your makeup completely, and then you go to bed. It's really important. So that's it guys. If you have any more questions, do let me know in the comment section below, and follow me on Instagram. My Instagram account is Leena Official, and we'll be doing some fun makeup looks really soon. So keep watching. See you soon. Bye.